We hit a lick on your bitch. I'm a good fella, Mason Margiela, my kick. I am false failure, my nigga, I got drip. Action on your bitch, this that Pokemon trainer shit. Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm flyer than a fucking ostrich. Okay. On my wood, that bitch won't give me polish. I'ma put my foot up in it.
Guys, I'm back. Not back. This is my first YouTube video, so like it up. Comment if you want me to reply to your comment.
Comment down below for more Naya videos. Hey, my name's Carter. I'm Drip. I'm Gucci Carter.
Okay, so now we're gonna be playing with the slime that he has.
No, you're gonna play with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be playing with it because he already got all over his hands, and we don't want that to happen again. So I'm gonna be playing with it. Also, it is
I got slime now.
it's Crazy Art Slime. So we're gonna be playing with it. Ow. So it's blue, by the way, if you can't tell.
And now you're making a bowl.
So yeah. If you want me to do some challenges or anything else, put it down below, please, cause I won't know if you won't answer. Like,
Wow. Look at this ball I made, people. Look. That's why you can't have a lot of slime. You just can make a ball with it. You see? I need more slime.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. I never saw my slime do that.
Don't do that.
Why? Do that again.
Because you're gonna be making bubbles. That's satisfying.
Do it again. Do that your booty again. Do it bigger. I do it when I met her.
Don't put your hands right.
You see, you broke it. Oh, and now I said a bad word.
So if I'm gonna clip it, oh, it has hair in it now.
And dirt. You're gonna shove the dirt in it? Wow.
Took the hair out. So see, now we're gonna poke it. Do anything else with it? Yeah. So comment down below if you want anything else for me to do.
And check on my videos, because my videos are good too. Right, Naya? Right? Say it.
Yeah. Go look at my brother's videos. They're fun and they're cool. Yeah.
On Snapchat, I'm going to do my videos. You got to look for YouTube. It's going to be, comment down below if you think my videos are going to be good. What? What?
Nothing. Okay. So, I'm going to close up today's video. Bye.